So we're out here at Brundage, and as you can see, the seasons have changed. We are in the dead of summer. You've got the mountain bike trails are kicking, and there's people going up on the lift, riding the trails. We have Friday night summer concerts through July and August, and Smokey's restaurant is open. McCall has also put up a 200-person event center, and so you can have weddings here, corporate parties, and they're gonna have so many events planned. They have sip and stretch Mondays and Wednesdays, yoga on the mountain, and they also have a paint and sip that's held at the top of the mountain. So if you haven't been to Brundage in the summer, definitely log on and check out their list of events. There's so much stuff here to see. Now let's go check out the neighborhood and see what kind of developments they've progressed so far at the top of the hill.
Now we're up here at the Northwoods development. Let's go check out all the new updates they've got going on.
So all the lots have sold out in the Northwoods, but occasionally you see an owner resale come back up. So if that's something you're interested in, definitely reach out, and I'll make sure you're on the list so you're one of the first people to know as soon as something comes on the market. There's also homes that are being built in the Northwoods neighborhood, and some of those are currently active listings. If that's something that you're interested in, I'm happy to give you that information also. There's also a phase 2 that's just been approved. I don't know if you've heard about it yet, and so I can send you information on phase 2. Just there's so much development going on here, and there's so much to tell you and so much information, and I'm happy to give all of that. So now that we've checked out the Northwoods and all the new development, let's go check out 112 North Loop. So now we're inside of 112 North Loop, and as you can see, it's still under construction, but this home is on the market and currently available for sale. It's priced at just over $3 million, which I feel like for a ski in, ski out location, or even mountain bike in, mountain bike out in the summer, that this is a great deal. It's a 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath, and we're gonna show you around. So as we go through the house, you can see that they've made really good progress. They've got in the silestone countertops and the backsplash. All the appliances are here, they just need to be set in. They have the red iconic fireplace that's set up. The whole outside has like a brick paver area with covered porches that have amazing views and a great place to hang out. And that would be in the winter or the summer. I mean, all these outdoor spaces are great. They have an outdoor shower. The back side of the house has the ski run where it integrates with the mountain. So you can just hop out your back door, get on the ski run, and ski right into Lower Rodeo. As we go into the master bedroom, you're gonna see that the inside the bathroom, there are 2 shower heads, and that carries from the downstairs bathroom. And then there's an upstairs junior primary suite that also has 2 shower heads in the bathroom. They have a 2-car heated garage, and when you come in from the garage, you come into the dedicated ski room. So you see you come through the bathroom into the dedicated ski room and then into the garage. And I really like this tile. They have like ceiling to floor tile, and it's like this blue and slate color, and none of the tiles look the same. It's really cool. There are some built-out ski lockers, and all the cabinets are completely custom. So you don't see like the brand stamping on any of it. I mean, they're very original and unique. This is definitely a must-see house. If you're looking for a home that's on a mountain, or you have access to the outdoors and skiing and mountain biking, you definitely want to come here to Brundage Ski Resort and check out this house. I'd like to thank Corey Corbett with Silver Creek and DR Bledsoe with Real Estate for letting us tour their listing today out here in the Northwoods. So you can see that they've made a lot of progress up here at the Northwoods. All the lots are sold out, but occasionally owners do list a lot for sale. And so if you want to be first on the list to get information about homes that are for sale in the neighborhood or lots that are coming back up, comment Northwoods below. And thanks for touring today, the Northwoods neighborhood, and checking out Brundage in the summer. You can see it's not just a winter destination.